Taking control of your life. The power of proactivity. Either you run the day or the day runs you. These words were spoken by the renowned motivational speaker and author, Jim Rohn, hold a profound truth. Every day we have a choice. We can either take control of our lives or we can let life control us. The power of proactivity. Proactivity is the ability to take control of our lives, to make conscious choices, and to take deliberate actions. It's the ability to shape our own destiny, to create our own future, and to achieve our own goals. When we're proactive, we're not just reacting to circumstances, we're creating circumstances. We're not just responding to events, we're initiating events. We're not just letting life happen, we're making life happen. The benefits of proactivity. So what are the benefits of being proactive? Here are a few. Increased confidence and self-esteem. When we're proactive, we feel more confident and self-assured. We feel like we're in control of our lives. Improved decision-making. Proactivity enables us to make better decisions, to think more critically, and to evaluate options more effectively. Enhanced creativity and innovation. When we're proactive, we're more likely to think outside the box, to generate new ideas and to find innovative solutions. Better time management and productivity. Proactivity helps us to prioritize tasks, to manage our time more effectively, and to achieve more in less time. The characteristics of proactive people. So what are the characteristics of proactive people? Here are a few. They're goal-oriented. Proactive people are clear about what they want to achieve. They set goals, they prioritize tasks, and they take deliberate action. They're self-aware. Proactive people are aware of their strengths, weaknesses, values, and emotions. They know what drives them, what motivates them, and what holds them back. They're resilient. Proactive people are able to bounce back from setbacks, to learn from failure, and to adapt to change. They're accountable. Proactive people take responsibility for their actions, their decisions, and their outcomes. They're accountable for their own lives. Overcoming procrastination and reactivity. So, how can we overcome procrastination and reactivity? Here are a few strategies. Break tasks into smaller steps. Procrastination often occurs when tasks seem overwhelming. Break tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Set clear goals and priorities. Reactivity often occurs when we're unclear about what we want to achieve. Set clear goals and priorities. Create a schedule and stick to it. Procrastination often occurs when we don't have a clear plan. Create a schedule and stick to it. Take deliberate action. Reactivity often occurs when we're waiting for inspiration or motivation. Take deliberate action, even if it's just a small step. Conclusion. In conclusion, either you run the day or the day runs you. The choice is yours. By being proactive, you can take control of your life, achieve your goals, and create the future you desire. Remember, proactivity is a choice, a mindset, and a skill. It's a choice to take control of your life, to make conscious decisions, and to take deliberate action. It's a mindset that enables you to think critically, to evaluate options, and to make informed decisions. It's a skill that can be developed, refined, and mastered. So go ahead, take control of your life. Run the day. Don't let the day run you. The strategic power of goal setting. Unlocking a compelling future. Goal setting is the secret to a compelling future. This fundamental principle, echoed by renowned motivational speaker and author Tony Robbins, underscores the transformative impact of deliberate goal setting on personal and professional growth. The imperative of goal setting. In today's fast-paced and increasingly complex world, the ability to set and achieve goals is an essential skill for success. By establishing clear and achievable objectives, individuals can enhance clarity and direction. Goal setting provides a sense of purpose and focus, enabling individuals to prioritize efforts and allocate resources effectively. Boost motivation and inspiration. The process of goal setting inspires and motivates, fostering a sense of enthusiasm and commitment. Foster accountability and responsibility. By setting goals, individuals assume ownership and responsibility for their outcomes, promoting a culture of accountability. Measure progress and success. Goal setting enables individuals to track progress, evaluate success, and make informed decisions. The multifaceted benefits of goal setting. The benefits of goal setting are far-reaching and multifaceted. Amplified motivation and inspiration. Goal setting ignites passion and enthusiasm, driving individuals to strive for excellence. Improve focus and concentration. By establishing clear objectives, individuals can minimize distractions and maintain focus. Enhanced self-confidence and self-esteem. Achieving goals boosts self-assurance, empowering individuals to tackle increasingly complex challenges. Optimize time management and productivity. Goal setting facilitates effective time allocation, enabling individuals to accomplish more in less time. A systematic approach to goal setting. To maximize the effectiveness of goal setting, consider the following structured approach. Identify core values and priorities. Establish a clear understanding of personal and professional values, informing goal-setting decisions. Conduct a situational analysis. Assess current circumstances, identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Set SMART objectives. Establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Develop a comprehensive action plan. Break down goals into manageable tasks, allocating resources and establishing timelines. Monitor progress and celebrate successes. Regularly evaluate progress, acknowledging achievements and adjusting strategies as needed. Navigating obstacles and setbacks. Inevitably, obstacles and setbacks will arise. To overcome these challenges, maintain a positive and focused mindset. Cultivate resilience, avoiding negative self-talk and self-doubt. Reframe failure as a growth opportunity. View setbacks as chances to learn and adapt. Seek guidance and support. Leverage expertise from mentors, peers, or professionals. Demonstrate flexibility and adaptability. Adjust strategies and approaches as circumstances dictate. Conclusion. In conclusion, goal setting is the secret to a compelling future. By embracing a systematic and a structured approach to goal setting, individuals can unlock their full potential, overcome obstacles, and create a future that is both compelling and fulfilling. Remember, goal setting is a dynamic and iterative process. By staying committed, flexible, and focused, individuals can achieve their objectives and realize their aspirations.